So hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Saisha YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make delicious dhokla. So let's start. So first we will take half cup of besan, then we take 1 pinch of salt, then water as needed to make a pancake type batter. You can see in this consistency we have to make it, and then I will set it like this only for 10 minutes. Then what I did, I add oil and then the mustard seeds, which is also called rye, and then half teaspoon of haldi, then 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoon of lemon juice. I boiled it nicely, and then I added eno in my batter. Mix your eno well, then add in your mold. Before adding in the mold, you have to grease some oil on it. Then add in the any pan or bhagona or any steamer in it. I added in this bhagona and I steamed it for 10 minutes. You can see this, it comes out clean. Then I take in a plate. You can see how the color it is getting. I just add this water in it, which we boiled before. You should remember that your water should absorb this dhokla in well, and after that I again put it for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes steaming I take it out. You can see how it is looking. Then I garnish it with this coriander, and then you can see how I garnish it, and then I cut it into pieces. You can see this, and it's so soft and delicious. So do like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.